So hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'm not in my kitchen, I'm at work as always. Now, a couple of weeks ago I made a recipe about my Sunday dinner routine, breakfast and dinner. I had made a scrambled egg recipe into one of those Sunday dinner special routine, and you guys wanted me to make a separate video to show you guys how to make this scrambled egg moist and nice and soft. We're gonna make it for you guys, and I hope you find this interesting. All right, so here we go.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Guys, we are moving on to making the best scrambled eggs ever. Now, I am making for 3 people, so I have 6 eggs. Now, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to use coconut oil and a pinch of salt, all right? Now, if you're going to make for 2 people, you want to use 4 eggs, and then you want to use 2 tablespoons of water. If you're making for 1, you use 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of water. Okay, so we get that part out of the way. All you want to do is go ahead and add your 3 tablespoons of water to that egg and beat this up until it's nice and smooth. Until it's pretty much like that. Now, in that pot, I'm going to add my coconut oil. I love to use coconut oil when I make scrambled eggs. It makes the egg come out more fluffier. So you allow that to melt. Now that the coconut oil melt real nice, go ahead and I pour my egg mixture in. And just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top of that. Now, as soon as you see the egg start forming in the middle, you want it to start, go ahead and moving that out the way. That top layer, just move it out the way. Just like that. So the other part of the eggs could come down and thicken up.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms which.
Well guys, since you've been watching me now for the past 3 minutes, 4 minutes, did you subscribe? Make sure you do that right now. Subscribe. Make sure you press the notification bell. It's simple. Let me show you how. You're already there on the channel. Just go over here so and press the subscribe button, and then you hit the notification bell right there so, and boom, you subscribe to my channel. And now it's okay if you go back to the video, right? And here you have the perfect scrambled eggs. A little bit of black pepper. How to make the best scrambled eggs in your kitchen, right there. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.